This is a great invention in the history of trains, the adhesive hook, which is the device connecting two train cars. The most important thing is that it never comes off. Its formal name is the coupler. Each car is equipped with one of them having a fixed pin. When two cars need to be connected, the hooks open and connect, and the two hooks grip each other tightly like two palms. At the same time, the upper pin will automatically drop down, locking the state. It's worth noting that they don't grip each other completely, just as you saw at the beginning of the video, because as the train moves on undulating tracks, there may be shaking. Leaving gaps can prevent the cars from derailing. So far, this device has been used for hundreds of years. In addition, researchers have also developed a more complex automatic coupler, with one such device on each car with two connection points, one protruding and one recessed. When the corresponding points are combined, the pin will quickly lock. Using this type of coupler not only increases the connection speed, but also allows trains to pull heavier loads.